bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
What happened to the spider? Where did she go?
Hold your horses, Lily. Let me finish the story. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Is that it? Can you sing some more?
Sure, Lily. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Oh no! It started raining again! Poor itsy bitsy spider!
Yes, but don't forget that itsy bitsy spider never gives up. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
One more time, please!
Sure, Lily. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Itsy bitsy spider must be so tired! What will she do now?
You just wait and listen. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Again, golden fairy, please!
Okay, Lily. Itsy bitsy spider, the sun will help you dry. Itsy bitsy spider, so you can climb up high. When the rain is over, when the rain is done, Mr. Sun will shine on you so you can reach the sky.
Itsy bitsy spider didn't reach the sky, that's too high!
That's right, Lily, but she did make it to the roof. Listen. Itsy bitsy spider made it to the roof, where her babies waited for her to bring them food. Way to go, good job, itsy bitsy mommy. Each time you fell down, you got up again.
Yay! Itsy bitsy spider is my